1, 2, 3. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See, my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to fill it in. You said I could fix the broken in your heart. You would say then, darling, but I don't know why you should.
Hey guys, so what's up to my new video. So this video I'm gonna be showing you a flourish that looks okay. So before we go to the tutorial, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification below so we can start the video right now, because I have too many steps in this how to do videos like this, guys. So that's disgusting, but actually it's good for you guys, for the beginners. Okay, so let's say 3 and 2 1 so we can start now. Okay, so before we go to the tutorial, I'm gonna say that we're gonna actually do with the step before we go to the tutorial, guys. So alright guys, so tips number 1, don't actually put soap with your card because your card may damage, and also you can flourish it and you can fan it with the soap, but as you see, my card is getting alright guys, so tips number 2. So I know that in the beginning that you're flourishing that looks like this, guys, like that, but actually we can fix it with the cards, like original cards, because this card is, it's fake cards. I buy it with only 49 pesos. So these plastic cards is cannot be flourish. As you see, it's may damage because I throw it when I was 13. I use it a lot of times to make a magical, but as you see, it's broke, yeah, and you can do with the fan in here, guys. So it's only for spring, guys. And so step number 3, it's doing shuffle, guys, to get smooth your cards, and doing a dribble, guys, and doing the spring, like other spring. Actually you can do with this waterfall cut, guys, like looks like this, because the cards may doing like smoothie if you flip it, guys, like that. Alright guys, so the tips of this, like I should do like that, is to push the cards and do animating like that. If I do the same, I do with the same things like that, then I can make the flourishing like that, guys. So alright guys, so first you're gonna do in between your right hand and the left hand, guys, doing like that. So as you see, the right and the left, you can use that, guys, for the fanning, and also into the right, holding like a struggle between your index and first index, middle, and ring finger, and little pinky. So little pinky goes to the top, and as you see, your thumb is do it like that, so you have a free space in here, guys. So in the left hand, I actually do it like mechanic script to the left and push it up to make fan, guys, with the right hand and the left hand. So how you do that? So first you need to do is do like that. Okay, it's hard to slow mo, guys. As you see, my right hand is the index supporting to move the cards like that, guys. Okay, we are in the another angle, so looks like that, but it's the faster way. It's so good, guys. And if you did not get that, so I'm gonna do with the slow motion just for you guys. So first need to do is doing like that between your right hand. But if the faster way, it's so good, guys, and it's great to do. Actually, you can support me. And if the left hand is doing like this, okay, with your, index and middle and ring, as you see doing like that. So to do that, you move away all the cards. If you flourish it like that, guys, or something that you should do it like that, okay. And if you do fast away, it's great and easy to do. But you can play it. You can just keep in practicing that, guys. Just keep it, and don't no don't do not believe to the others that you can't do it, but just trust yourself to do that, guys. Because I learned that in the 3 weeks, guys. But it's okay, it's fine, and it's good for you guys. And that's all, guys, and thank you for watching. If you did not get that, just replay that, guys. So okay, replay the video, guys. So that's all, guys, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please support me to my YouTube channel so I can start giveaways from reach 1000, guys. So that's all, and see you later. Bye.